Guys, today has been another day for us to bring another video. If you're new on this channel, what you have to do, just like my page, subscribe it and like it for me, because this channel, we always want to bring the quality. You understand? We always want to bring things that is coming to the system. So if you're able to follow this channel, you'll get to know videos upon videos, things that maybe you have not been seeing before. Before we can start this video or today's video, I want to have a look at new drilling machine from FERREX. All right. If you're in the UK, you can get it from RD Shop. All right. You can get it through eBay. You can get it from some Facebook markets. You can also get it from Amazon, if only you want it. It's a very nice thing, and one most amazing thing is it has 3 years warranty. Wow, that is very great. 3 years warranty. Now, before we can start, what you have to do is to open the box. So I have my fish knife. Very nice fish knife. All right. So you need to open it. All right. So when you take it from the box, this is the box, and it has a very well and nice packaging. Very nice. You know, for protection. You know, yeah. It has a bag, a very quality and tools bag. All right. So you just open it. You open it, and you open like this. All right. Sorry, it has fell down. So you just take it. Here is it. It's a wireless one. Very nice. Those that they don't have the electricity, they can charge it. Nice. We have the manual. Yeah, the user manual. Everything about this drilling is in. All right. It's in. So let's go on. This is the charger for the battery. All right. So if you want to charge it, what you have to do, you go here, you insert it like this. This is the extension board. You plug it. The power is on. The battery is dead. You know, the battery is dead. When the battery is full, the red light will change to green when you know the battery is full and it's ready to use. Very good. So without wasting my time, let's take it off. All right. So this is the charger. So what you have to do is to insert it. If you insert it, this can go, can come. All right, it can go and come. So when it goes like this, you know, it's for heavy drilling. The soft ones like this, and you can rotate it like this. All right. So if you want to use it, you just place here. You place here, and there's a light. Very nice light here. All right. Very nice. If you want it to go this side, you place the back of it here, like this. Like this. It's a very nice thing. You can take the battery off. You can insert it. Start using it. And one most amazing thing is this drilling can be used for 3 hours a day. 3-4 hours, you can use it. Depend on how you are going to use it. All right. First of all, I have the bit, the tool that you can use to drill. You have this one here. How to fix. I want to add something to it. How to fix. You can just put it here and start touching it with it. Put it and start touching like this. To finish starting, you can just start like this. In the side of this. So this is the new drilling machine in the market. If you are a plumber, if you are a carpenter, if you are any other person that you need a drilling machine, a very nice, comfortable drilling machine to use, I just recommend this for you. You know, I took 10 of them, and out of 10 of them, it left only one. So I would like to thank everyone. But don't forget, if you're new on this channel, like my page, subscribe it, and share for me, so that new video that is coming, you'll be the first person to watch. You'll be the first person to view. You understand? So I really thank everyone for watching this video, and there are a lot of video that is coming out. So let's go again. If you want to test, very nice one, a very nice one. Even the light, you can use this one to hold your waist. You understand? All right, whilst you're on top to wake. So here it is. So if you want to take it off, you take it off, you open it, and you put it back. All right, if you put it back, what you have to do is to put it back. And then you just insert it like this. Just put it here. So thank you for today's video. If you're new here, just like it. As I said, like my page, share it, and subscribe for me, because I promise you every day that I'll bring new videos. And of course, I'm doing as my promise. You understand? So just like it, like my page, share, and subscribe for me. Thank you for today's video, and we would like to end here for the next video. Cheers.